The Google Pixel 10 Pro isn't trying to win you over with flashy gimmicks. It doesn't have glowing lights. It doesn't fold in half. It doesn't scream, "Look at me." Instead, it quietly walks into the room, takes one ridiculously good photo, and makes every other phone look a little nervous. And honestly, that's a pretty badass flex. Yo, what's good, legends? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, the place where fake influencer hype gets exposed, overpriced tech bullshit gets absolutely cooked, and companies trying to recycle old garbage as innovation get called out like the greedy little assholes they are. And yeah, if you're thinking about grabbing the Google Pixel 10 Pro, I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit out after the video. If you're new here, hit like, subscribe, and all that good shit, because this channel stays raw, uncensored, and brutally honest. No fake hype, no sponsored bullshit, no influencers pretending every new smartphone is the greatest phone ever made. Today we're talking about the Google Pixel 10 Pro, and holy fuck, Google might have cooked with this one. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll notice isn't even the design. It's how unbelievably smooth the whole phone feels. Everything opens instantly. Animations are buttery smooth. Switching between apps feels effortless. You stop thinking about the phone and just start using it. And honestly, that's exactly how good software should work. Now let's talk about the display, because this screen is absolutely gorgeous. It's bright enough to use outside. Colors look fantastic without looking fake. Scrolling feels ridiculously smooth. Watching YouTube, Netflix, or doom scrolling social media at 2 in the morning somehow feels even better. And once your eyes get used to this display, going back to a cheaper phone feels like somebody turned the lights off. Now here's where Google starts showing off: the cameras. Because holy shit, Google has been embarrassing flagship phones with camera software for years. The Pixel 10 Pro keeps that tradition alive. You pull out the phone, press the shutter, and somehow Google turns an ordinary photo into something that looks professionally edited. Skin tones look natural. Details stay sharp. Night photos are ridiculously good. Portrait mode rarely falls apart. Even people who know absolutely nothing about photography end up taking incredible pictures. That's Google's secret weapon. Now performance. Let's get one thing straight. This phone isn't trying to win benchmark competitions. It's trying to feel fast every single day. And it absolutely does. Apps launch instantly. Games run smoothly. Multitasking isn't a problem. Editing photos and videos feels effortless. Everything just works. No weird stutters, no random lag, no frustrating bullshit. Now here's one thing I absolutely love: the software. Google's version of Android still feels cleaner than almost everyone else. No duplicate apps, no unnecessary junk, no random pop-ups asking you to install 10 different services you'll never use. It's simple, minimal, and surprisingly refreshing. Other companies should honestly take notes. Now let's talk AI, because apparently every tech company is legally required to mention AI every 5 seconds now. Thankfully, Google actually gives you features you'll probably use: smarter photo editing, helpful search tools, voice features that actually understand what you're saying, call screening, live translation, little things that quietly make life easier instead of screaming. Look, artificial intelligence. That's the difference. Now battery life. Thank f***. Because nobody wants a flagship phone that starts begging for a charger before dinner. The Pixel 10 Pro easily gets through a full day for most people. Streaming, gaming, photography, social media, navigation. It handles everything without turning battery anxiety into a full-time job. The Google Pixel 10 Pro isn't trying to impress you with flashy gimmicks. It's trying to become the easiest phone to live with every single day. Fantastic cameras, beautiful display, excellent software, reliable battery, smooth performance. Everything works together exactly the way it should. And honestly, that's becoming surprisingly rare in modern smartphones. So, is the Google Pixel 10 Pro worth it? I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit. If this review helped you out, hit like, drop a comment telling me whether you'd choose this over an iPhone or Galaxy Ultra, and subscribe for more real, uncensored, no bullshit tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you legends in the next one. Until then, peace the f*** out.